New Zealand Trucking visited GHL Towing in Auckland to check out their new Canter 4-door slide deck tow truck and its operation. The 4-door cab is a standard Canter option, and GHL owner Che Patel figured it would be an ideal vehicle to get a broken car and its occupants comfortably into a safe environment after a breakdown or accident. The company's workshop extended the truck's wheelbase by 1 metre and fitted the Canadian-built NRC slide deck and lifting gear. Che is impressed with the Canadian decks and says they're built for Canadian conditions, so the weight ratings are similar to ours but a bit beefier. We went out on a run with driver Isaac Townsend to check out the Canter. Its 173 horsepower 3-litre engine and Duronic 6-speed AMT transmission ensure a gutsy on-road performance, and decent twin-caliper vented discs ensure excellent braking in the heavy Auckland traffic. In Auckland's southeastern suburbs, we find and pick up the damaged SUV, which can comfortably be driven up the extended slide deck. Isaac operates the deck using a remote control unit, and soon he has the SUV aboard and secured for the trip to the repair agent. The relatively long unit has a width of about 2.3 metres across the deck, helping it negotiate the narrow, congested Auckland streets, as Isaac transports the owner and SUV to a repair agent. As well as the driver, there's room for 6 passengers in the relatively comfortable 4-door cab. The SUV soon becomes just another completed job, and Isaac hits the wet streets of Auckland to pick up more work. It's clear that the 4-door Fuso Canter and NRC slide deck combination is an ideal choice for GHL. Che Bartel agrees and admits that he's ordered a second Canter.